Hey everyone, Gus Kawaja here. Today we're going to look at reverse shells using Netcat, one of the most fundamental techniques in penetration testing. Let's jump right in. So, what exactly is a reverse shell? In a normal connection, you connect to a server, but in a reverse shell, the target machine connects back to you. This is useful because most firewalls block incoming connections but allow outgoing ones. The target initiates the connection, and once established, you get a command shell on the remote system. First, on our Kali machine, we set up a Netcat listener. The flags are L for listen, V for verbose, N for no DNS resolution, and P to specify the port. We'll use port 4404. Now, on the victim machine, we execute Netcat with the E flag to pipe a bash shell back to our attacker IP. In a real engagement, this payload would be delivered through an exploit. But for demonstration, we're running it directly. Back on our Kali machine, we now have a live connection. Let's verify by running some commands. Who am I shows we're the www data service account. Hostname confirms we're on the target. And we can even read sensitive files like etc passwd. This is a fully interactive shell. Now, Netcat with the E flag isn't always available. Here's an alternative using pure bash. This one-liner uses the dev TCP device file built into bash to create a TCP connection and redirect standard in, standard out, and standard error through it. Another popular option is the Python reverse shell. Most Linux systems have Python installed, making this very reliable. It imports the socket and sub-process modules to create a connection and spawn a shell process. Let's recap the key takeaways. Always test with permission in authorized engagements. Netcat is the Swiss Army knife of networking. Multiple payload options exist when Netcat E flag isn't available. And remember, reverse shells bypass firewalls because the target initiates the outbound connection. That's it for this one. If you found this useful, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below. I'm Gus Kawaja, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.